Hey everybody, so the 747 here still remains unpicked on camera, and may do a video just how to gut one of those because I don't think there's a ton of information about them out there, so I may do that because I picked it 3 times off camera making the key, and ever since it's had a key I've not been able to pick it. But anyway, moving on, I got this American 700 also without a key that needs a key, so we will see if we can get this open. So I did shoot it with some tri-flow before we started here. And see if we can get it open. I do like all these stainless steel locks. I actually like these, 700s, 5200s, better than the 1100s. That's already open, so that was easy. Almost too easy. Be careful not to lock this back here. Or some plastic to try to make a different follower that'll be able to kind of clip onto the tail piece on the back of these without having to rotate them like that. This thing's full of tri-flow here, but go ahead and get it apart. Okay. So we got pins here. And well, that explains why it was so easy here. All the pins appear to be standard pins. So let's see what we got going on upstairs. This does look like an actual American cylinder. So, alright, so number 1 we got a standard pin. These might have been all pinned out of like a master lock pinning kit or something. And this is wildly disappointing. And I guess that explains why it opened up so easy. It's stuck on the follower, so these are all standard pins. It does have brass springs though. Some of the master lock springs are sometimes steel, so does at least have the right springs in it anyway. So looking at these pins here, this probably is an American lock that would have been able to be raked open. Maybe I'll put it back together and maybe try that in a couple days or something. So anyway, American 700 easily picked open and gutted or whatever. So I think that actually catches me up on padlocks that I have that I've not made keys for anyway, so I can make a key to this. I guess I'll do that, and I'll put the bitting on the screen and everything too, I guess, while I'm at it here. So anyway, until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.